Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: battery above 10% and the device unlocked so settings change reliably. Next, open settings and locate the airplane mode toggle. Try switching it off now. If the toggle is unresponsive, force a quick restart. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds because temporary system hangs often cause this behavior. Once done, make sure airplane mode still shows off in settings before moving to deeper fixes. You now perform the more detailed checks. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on then off to see if radios are stuck separately. Then check for a system update under Settings right arrow System right arrow Update. Firmware bugs often lock radio states. If the problem persists, reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth configs and often releases a stuck airplane mode. Make sure to back up saved Wi-Fi passwords before resetting, because you will need to reconnect. You finish by isolating third-party interference. Boot into safe mode and then try switching airplane mode off. If it works, uninstall recent apps. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Backup important data first, because a fresh system often clears persistent configuration errors. If even a reset fails, suspect a hardware radio or antenna fault. Make sure to contact authorized service for diagnostic testing. One key tip: try safe mode before reset.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.